Welcome to our lesson on active and passive voice. Today, we will explore how sentences can be written in two different ways, while keeping the same meaning. Look at these two sentences. The teacher gives us homework. We are given homework by the teacher. Both mean the same thing. But the first focuses on the teacher, the one who does the action. The second focuses on us, the receivers of the action. This is the difference between active and passive voice. In the active voice, the subject performs the action. The pattern is subject, verb, object. For example, the cat chased the mouse. Here, the focus is on the cat, the doer. In the passive voice, the focus changes to the receiver of the action. The structure is subject be, past participle, and sometimes the doer. For example, the mouse was chased by the cat. Now the focus is on the mouse. Passive voice can be used in different tenses. In the present, the classroom is cleaned every day. In the past, the classroom was cleaned yesterday. In the future, the classroom will be cleaned tomorrow. Just use the correct form of be and the past participle. Why do we use the passive voice? Sometimes we care more about the action than the doer. For example, in news reports, the robber was caught by the police. Or in science writing, the experiment was carried out carefully. Passive voice helps us focus on the action or the result. Be careful with passive voice. Don't forget the verb be, and don't forget the correct past participle. For example, eat becomes eaten, not eat. So the correct sentence is, the cake was eaten by the boy. Let's review. Active voice focuses on the doer. Passive voice focuses on the receiver. Remember the formula. Active is subject, verb, object. Passive is object be, past participle, and sometimes by plus subject. Active and passive voices give us two ways to say the same idea. Use active when you want to highlight the doer. Use passive when you want to highlight the action or the result. Both are powerful tools in English writing. Thank you for watching.